Okay, today I want to teach the change of subject of formula in mathematics. You know, formula is a plural form of formula. By the end of this topic, this lesson, the students should be able to change the subject of a given formula or express any letter in any equation in terms of the other letters. Make x the subject of equations a into x plus b equals c. First of all, clear the brackets. So clear the brackets. By clearing these brackets, we now multiply a times by this, a by plus b. So this will give us a times x should give us ax. A times b should give us plus ab equals c. So because why tackling this problem, first of all, you begin by clearing fractions, brackets and root signs. Then rearrange the formula so that all the terms that contain the new subject are on one side of the equal sign and the rest are on the other side. If more than one term contains the subject, take it outside the bracket. Then divide both sides by the bracket. Then simplify as far as possible. That's what we are doing now. So we have cleared the brackets by multiplying a by what is the items inside the bracket, giving us ax plus ab equals c. Now what is the next stage? The next stage now is to rearrange in such a way that x stands on one side of the equation. We rearrange this equation to make sure that a stands on one side of the equation. Rearrange the equation. Rearrange. The equation. So we have ax equals c. We have to subtract ab from both sides. Subtract ab from both sides. So ab minus ab here should nullify, give us 0. Then remaining c minus ab. It's the same thing as saying taking a plus ab to this side of the right hand side of the equation. As soon as this plus ab crosses this side inequality sign, this plus sign will change to minus sign. That's why I said subtract ab from both sides of the equation. So subtract ab from c, subtract ab from this ab. So that one will give us 0 here. Remaining ax equals c minus ab. Right? Then the next thing now is to divide both sides by a. Divide both sides of the equations by a. by a. if we divide both sides by a now, we should have something like this. Let me write it out. X over a equals c over a minus ab over a. So that this a will nullify this. This will nullify this. Remaining what? X equals c over a minus b. Answer. Assignment. One. Square root of x over 2 equals a. 2 pi r into, in brackets, r plus h. I want you to solve these two problems and then write your answers in the comments. Bye.